The construction of a $100 million perimeter wall at Petrojam has fueled a probe by the Integrity Commission. This is in addition to another investigation by the Auditor General following several allegations of irregularities at the state-run oil refinery. Even as those issues continue to dog Petrojam, the opposition is warning that the entity could go out of business. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
In 2 years' time, over 400 megawatts of capacity that is fueled by either heavy fuel oil and diesel will be lost to Petrojam. I see the closure of Petrojam staring us starkly in the face if something isn't done and done now.
Opposition spokesman on energy Philip Paulwell in the House of Representatives on Tuesday. Petrojam will lose a huge chunk of its market since two of its customers, the Jamaica Public Service and the Jamalco, are diversifying their energy sources. They now buy heavy fuel oil from Petrojam, but will replace it with LNG to be bought from New Forest Energy. And so Mr. Paulwell is concerned Petrojam is not moving fast enough to upgrade its refinery to produce other products like asphalt. Critical to the upgrade is a vacuum distillation unit VDU used to produce petroleum products out of heavy fuel oil.
We are currently negotiating with a Chinese entity to pursue the VDU project.
Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley says $100 million has been set aside for the first stage of the upgrade involving the VDU project. While negotiations continue, Opposition Member of Parliament Peter Bunting is concerned that its expenditure may exceed budget. He said a US-based engineering firm indicated that the VDU project should cost $87.6 million on the open market and $79.5 million using Chinese material.
The internal estimates at Petrojam, who are liaising with the Chinese contractors, is the price is now reported at $119 million, and they haven't started yet. And this $119 million has exclusions that could make the final price even higher.
Dr. Wheatley couldn't speak to the specifics, reiterating that negotiations are ongoing. Meanwhile, a perimeter wall at Petrojam costing $100 million has drawn the attention of the Integrity Commission.
The OCG, the NCC and OCG requested documents, and the necessary documents were provided to the relevant parties.
He said the wall had to be replaced due to roadworks on Marcus Garvey Drive. And the minister also announced that the government has scrapped the Energy Council, which was previously set up by the PNP administration.
In developing the Integrated Resource Plan, the IRP, required by the Electricity Act, this government has continued the consultative approach with key energy stakeholders, which was the intent of the Council. In implementation and further development of the IRP, a similar consultative approach will be applied.
This notion that having passed a law, then there's no need to consult in the implementation phase is, I think, unworthy of the minister in terms of a response. I really believe that another look has to be given to this all-important body, and I will take the appropriate resolution here for debate on it.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.